Hi folks, Rod here with KT Connections for our monthly video tech tip. Last month we introduced you to lists. Today let's concentrate on Microsoft Whiteboard. Head on over to office.com, log in with your business email address and password, click on the app launcher, and then click on Whiteboard. Whiteboard is a great collaboration tool that indicates changes real time for a team of people working on the whiteboard. Microsoft has also provided templates for brainstorming, problem solving, project planning, workshops, learning, and even more. Let's take a brief look at my example whiteboard to illustrate its features. In this whiteboard, we have the main menu that includes the selection tool, inking or drawing by hand, notes, reactions, comments, text, basic shapes or lines, and then a few more options. In this particular example, you can see we have shapes drawn in a basic fashion, but showing them layered together and how you can manipulate the layers. We have a website URL that can be inserted, and some other basic shapes with text inside, a connector between the shapes, and a few reaction icons. Finally, we have this grid of notes that can be used for adding a note about different aspects of the whiteboard itself. We've inserted a picture of an airplane, and then we have a text plus a note, a reaction, shapes, again, all layered together. And we have a PowerPoint slide inserted into our whiteboard. On the top menu, you can see under the grid icon that we can add collaborative cursors. We can enhance inked shapes, which will automatically fix circles and squares and hexagons and octagons and so forth that you draw by hand. You can format the background, and finally, you can share your document with other people inside or outside of your organization, or simply copy the link. Next month, join our tech tip and we'll highlight another productivity app inside Microsoft 365 to help you be more efficient. So stay tuned.